It did not record?
It did not record! Wait, why is it because battery down or something or what?
Hey everyone! So as you might have noticed, my camera decided to take a little break in the middle of filming. Yeah, it's not a joke. Either that, or I may have accidentally turned it off. But anyway, with the footage we have left, we're turning this into a quick Korean foundation makeup tutorial, so let's dive in. So Cynthia has already prepped her face with skincare, so we'll start with the Jungsengmo Prep Mist. So next we'll move on to foundation. Now I'm testing out the color because Cynthia has such a beautiful fair skin. Since I don't have the exact foundation shade, I'm mixing a few fair shades to get the perfect match. And now that we have the right shade, we apply a thin layer and slowly build up across the face. Now the trick to achieving a Korean no makeup healthy skin glow is patience. I like to use a flat foundation brush to lay down the foundation and then a damp sponge to blend them all in. So now we'll proceed with concealing the small imperfections using a concealer. Now this is easy because Cynthia's face is almost blemish free. Use it lightly and spot conceal as needed. And of course, don't forget to brighten the under eye area, blend it with the same sponge. And next, we'll use the blusher to softly build up Cynthia's cheeks. You want to enhance a porcelain complexion without overdoing it with the blush. And a little sparkle and boom, Cynthia is ready. Now unfortunately, my camera cut off right after the blusher. So that's about it folks. Thanks for watching and see you around.